Hi guys! In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to create an eBay seller account and minimize the risk of account suspension. Creating an eBay seller account remains a challenging process for many people. Numerous newly created seller accounts, even those without product listings or orders, are immediately suspended. So, what are the reasons behind this? First is the restriction from certain regions with high fraud rates, such as Vietnam. If you create an eBay seller account in Vietnam, there is a high chance your account will be suspended immediately after creation because sellers from Vietnam have committed a lot of fraud on this platform. Therefore, eBay will block accounts from this country to prevent you from opening a shop on their platform. This measure is to protect users on the platform and ensure fair competition. The second reason is that you have previously used an account that was suspended or restricted. eBay may block the creation of new accounts if it detects information, IP addresses, or devices similar to those linked to previously created seller accounts. Additionally, if multiple accounts are detected being created from the same IP address or device, eBay will block account creation because using multiple accounts violates the platform's policies. Furthermore, the third reason is that the information you used matches an account that has already been suspended. Most people purchase information when creating eBay seller accounts, such as IDs, bank cards, etc. These details are often obtained through illegitimate means and may be sold to multiple people. As a result, many accounts are suspended for sharing the same information as previously suspended accounts. Finally, the fourth reason arises during the selling process, such as selling trademarked items, poor sales performance, failure to deliver orders, frequent cancellations, or not adding tracking numbers, etc. These are the four main reasons why you may not be able to create an eBay seller account. So, what is the solution? First, if you want to register as an eBay seller, it's best to choose countries like the UK, the US, Sri Lanka, etc., instead of countries that are frequently on the block list, such as Vietnam. Along with this, you will need a set of user information from those countries, such as a citizen ID, tax number, bank card, phone number, etc. If you have relatives in these areas, it's better to borrow real information from them. If you choose to buy this information, ensure you purchase from a reputable source, but be prepared for the risk of buying fake information or having it reported by the real user. Second, create a clean environment for registering and maintaining accounts. If your eBay account gets suspended, both the IP address and device information will be added to eBay's blacklist. You cannot reuse these details to register another eBay account. Therefore, you must change both pieces of information. For the IP address, you should use a proxy, especially if you plan to create and manage a large number of accounts. For device information, you can use a new phone or laptop for registration. Alternatively, you can use Hidemyacc on your existing device. Hidemyacc is an Antidetect browser that allows you to create different browser profiles. Each profile has a unique device fingerprint, equivalent to a new device. Hidemyacc cannot change the IP address, so you will need to attach a proxy to each profile. Using this method, you can easily create a completely clean environment and register multiple eBay accounts without being detected or suspended by the platform. If one of your accounts gets suspended, it will not affect the remaining accounts because each profile acts as a new device, functioning independently like different users. To register an eBay seller account, you first need to create an eBay buyer account. Run the Hidemyacc profile you've set up with a proxy. Then, access eBay and fill in the required information, such as your name, email, and password, and you're done. Registering an eBay buyer account is not difficult. The important part is creating a clean environment and preparing a new Gmail account. Next, you need to nurture this buyer account before upgrading to a seller account. The nurturing process should appear natural, like a real user. For example, search for products, read reviews, message sellers, add items to your cart, and make purchases. If you are managing a small number of accounts, you can nurture them manually. However, if you are managing a large number of accounts, you can explore Hidemyacc's automation scripts for account nurturing. After about 21 days or a month from creating the buyer account, you can register for a seller account. Go to My eBay, click on Selling to open the registration page. Here, fill in the user information you prepared earlier. For those who purchased a seller account, you can skip the steps of creating and nurturing a buyer account and simply log into the purchased eBay seller account. Next, in the Overview section, you can start listing products. If you have experience selling on platforms like Amazon or Etsy, you can copy your existing product listings. However, if you're a newbie, the first step is to research and choose a niche. This requires personal research based on your resources and strengths. In this video, Hidemyacc cannot cover all aspects of niche selection. So, how to list products on eBay? First, go to Amazon and search for products to copy their images, titles, and descriptions. You should avoid products with watermarks, as they may get flagged and your account could be suspended. To download high-quality images, consider using a recommended browser extension. Next, on your eBay account, select Listing Item and enter your product title. eBay will suggest matching products for your title. Select Create Without Match. And then confirm details. If the product already has a brand, select Tags. If your product does not have a brand, choose Without Tags. Then upload your product images. And fill in the product details step by step. For the product description, you can copy the description from Amazon and use ChatGPT to rewrite it. Paste the new description into the product description field on eBay. Next, you will need to set the product price. And select the shipping service. Once all product information is completed, click List It to publish the listing. Important tips for new seller accounts: you should avoid listing products immediately after creating your seller account. For your first product, refrain from listing electronics, expensive items, or branded goods. Start with common items like clothing or shoes. Prioritize listing one product at a time instead of bulk uploading. After your first sale, track the order and ship the product promptly within 3 to 7 days to receive good reviews. Above, Hidemyacc has just guided you on how to create a clean environment for registering an eBay seller account and how to list your first product. If you have any questions, please contact the Hidemyacc support team through live chat for quick assistance. Wish you all success.